Hello and welcome to today's video walkthrough. I'm super excited today. It's a beautiful day to do a walkthrough and take shots of this beautiful property. It's called Viewtopia. In a minute, you're gonna know exactly why it's called Viewtopia. It's a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom property. It's about 2,900 square feet. It will accommodate up to 11 people. It has everything that you want in a vacation property here in Ruidoso, New Mexico. Let's get to it, guys. See you inside. First thing you're gonna notice as soon as you walk inside this beautiful property is all of the natural light, all the windows, and the incredible views. I'm sure you can already guess as to why this property is called Viewtopia. But first, I wanna take you down this hall here on the right-hand side. As soon as you walk in, you do have the laundry room and a mud room here. Plenty of space to do all of your laundry in case you need to do laundry on your extended stay. And you do have access to the garage, of course, 2-car garage, plenty of space there. And going back through, this is the first bathroom. It's the half bathroom. Very nice, very elegant, very private. And going through to the entrance again here, I want to bring your attention to the dining area. Just take a look at these incredible views. You have pretty much a 180 degree view of your surroundings here. Incredible. Just take a look of that beautiful, gorgeous mountain. And now to the kitchen. Plenty of space, very open layout. Of course, you do have vaulted ceilings. Incredible feeling to this property. Updated appliances. Now let's go to the main living room here. Plenty of space for the whole family to gather around, watch the football game, watch your favorite TV shows. Now let's go to the master bedroom. Take a look of this awesome, gorgeous master bedroom. Plenty of space here. Do have your own flat screen TV, of course, makes it so convenient. Let's move on to the master bathroom. Isn't this fabulous? You do have a tub here in case you want to soak, and you do have a TV here in case you want to take that soak and don't have to miss your show at all. You do have a beautiful window here offering natural light, and this gorgeous shower top to bottom. Incredible. Let me show you the size. I love doing this in my videos, trying to show you how big these showers are and beautiful. I'm inside and just so much space, open air, just so gorgeous. I love this glass. Awesome design. Absolutely awesome design. Of course, you do have double vanity here, his and hers. Makes it really easy to get ready in the morning. You do have a separated toilet here. And of course, you do have a walk-in closet here. Plenty of space for all of your clothes, suitcases, and whatnot. Moving back through the bedroom. I believe this is the pantry here. Big pantry. Again, if you're here on an extended period, extended vacation, plenty of space for all of your groceries. And let's go to the outdoor living space. You can't ignore this gorgeous view. Just incredible all throughout, regardless of where you are at the property. This is where you can have your morning coffee, sit down, relax, soak in that gorgeous view. Wrapped around over here, you have more lounging area. This property offers a lot of outdoor living space. You do have a grill, as all of Ruidoso Vacation rentals properties do. And let's go back through and let me take you to the downstairs of this property. First thing you're going to notice about this space is the foosball table. Plenty of space here for kids to relax and not have to bother mom and dad upstairs. And this is really cool, really neat. I love this. Again, if you do have kids in the group, you do have bunk beds in their own little bedroom here. Of course, they have their own TV. You have another bedroom here down below. Take a look of the size of the bed in the guest bedroom downstairs. And of course, you do have those incredible views of Sierra Blanca. So regardless of where you stay, you have views. You have your own bathroom here and shower. And usually I don't really show the showers in the guest bathrooms, but this is so nice. I really love and definitely want to showcase that. Of course, you do have your own closet here, closet space, TV. Of course, moving on here, off to the left-hand side. This is another guest bedroom, queen-size bed, own TV. Coming off of this bedroom here, you do have another bathroom here in the hallway. And the fifth and final bedroom here, again, king-size bed. You do have your own bathroom shower, of course. And again, really nice touch. I really like these showers. As you know, in all of my videos, I love to see all the different types of showers. One final thing about Viewtopia is the downstairs backyard area. You do have your very own hot tub here, so you can come down from skiing if you're staying during the winter, and you can soak here in the hot tub. Awesome area here. You do have a fenced-in yard. It is not pet friendly, just want to make a note of that, but you do have a fenced-in yard here in case you do have little kids. You don't have to worry about them going to the street. That'll wrap today's video walkthrough of Viewtopia. The owner takes great pride in his property. I should have mentioned that this is a brand new construction built home. If you're interested in booking Viewtopia for your vacation getaway here in Ruidoso, New Mexico, click the link down below. There's also a coupon that you can use for a small discount. It'll help me out tremendously if you hit the subscribe button down below. I'm also trying to do weekend giveaways once my channel gets big enough. I'll make an announcement. Don't want to miss out on that. Click the subscribe button down below and the bell so you don't miss any videos or any content that I make. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me today for a walkthrough of Viewtopia.